Hey, some of you have questions with how to update your Optavia order, so I'm doing a little video here. So I'm just on the Optavia website, www.optavia.com, and I'm going to go to login. And there's my username. Sorry you can't see my password, but I'm just going to go to my account. Login's taking a while, my goodness. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard. Here is my order information. I'm going to go to this button here, edit your order. And here comes my order from the last order that I put in. So from here, what you can do is, if there's a fueling that maybe you didn't like so much or you want to get more of, you can go ahead and edit some things. I'm great on my essential beef and garden vegetable soup, and I don't need another box, so I'm just going to exit out, and that's going to update it. So now it doesn't show in my order anymore. So you can just kind of play around with this. Now, if there's a product on here that you want, but it's not on your list already, just go to the quick shop button down here, very bottom left, and you can click on this. If you know what the name of the product is, you can type it in here. I don't know, I'm just going to go Crunchers, and that's going to bring up right below what the Crunchers are. Maybe you don't know what it's called, and you're like, oh, I'm looking for some bars, so you can click on bars, and it's going to bring up all of the bars options. This one happens to be the select. I can go to the essential fuelings as well, and it will give me everything that's there as well. From there, you can just click whatever you want, how many you want, and add it, and then it will appear into your cart. I don't happen to want anything from here at the time. So once this is updated to how many boxes of fuelings that you want, you can go to the Save My Changes, and then that's going to update your order, and it will process on your regular processing date. You could also have this option of process my order now if you just are like, hey, I'm done, I'm ready to go, let's just get this done. And then that will happen. And I'm just going to pull up my email really quick, because this is going to show me that my Optavia order has been updated, and it will show me what it's been updated to. You can see, and then it's going to show when my next processing date is. So there's just a quick update, or a quick way of getting your order updated. Hopefully that helps you out, and onward and downward, as I like to say. Downward just with my weight going down, but onward and upward with my health going up. So best of 2019 to all of you. Thank you.